Hello, everybody. Nicole here, and I'm on with Justin Allen Hammonds, my magnificent coach. He's truly helped me in my business, and I know he can help you in yours. And he's going to give you a little bit of backstory on what we've been doing the past couple of months.
Well, all right. First of all, welcome and God bless you. And let's start with a prayer to just kind of get everything going in the right direction. So let's just start with a prayer real quick. Father God, I thank you for today. I pray that this training touches someone's life and that it helps them grow in the knowledge of internet marketing and also in the knowledge of you and just get stronger in you, Lord. I thank you, Lord, for everything that you do, and I just pray that they become more prosperous and more successful as they watch these training series. Thank you, Lord. In Jesus' name I do pray, man. All right,
Amen.
so what's been going on? D. Nicole, because, being the visionary genius she is, she,
Stop it.
she said, well, you know, um, about our coaching sessions, why don't we start recording these and just let people on the inside of what's going on in business? Because I'm a successful business owner, but right now I'm at a crossroads where I'm starting my business over because just last year I had to take a whole year away from business because I didn't know if I was going to go to jail for 20 years. I tell that story and some of my product sales letters, but I didn't know if I was going to go to jail for 20 years, so I had to stop business because I didn't want to take credit cards, and then I couldn't get refunds and stuff like that because I was in jail. But we're starting over, so you get to see me start from the bottom, and you get to see D. Nicole kind of start from the bottom in the new sector of business because she a very successful network marketer, and now she's venturing into information marketing, and that's like my specialty, teaching network marketers how to create marketing funnels. I call them money getting systems because it's more complex than just a traditional marketing funnel. But I've been coaching her for a while, and that's what I like to do when I coach people. That's why I told us I can't coach nobody after you, but I coach people until they reach a certain level of success. And I will say, if I'm gonna coach somebody from now, it's gonna be expensive. But I coach people till they reach a certain level of success. I don't just say I coach you for an hour. Not nothing wrong with that. But I'm just saying that's just not my style because I know of it take a lot of time to get to that kind of stuff. And so we decided to record this, and she came up with the name from ordinary to extraordinary because you're going to see both our businesses go from ordinary to extraordinary. And because you get to see me start over and you get to see her start for the first time. She just got her blog set up, all that kind of stuff. So you're a little bit behind because we've done trainings already. I mean, for a while, my internet was so bad, and it usually literally the video call will cut off every 5 minutes. So thankfully, the Lord blessed me to get better internet. I'm out here in the country. I live in Thomasville, Alabama. So, it ain't really many choices about internet. But we're gonna get you up to speed, and this is the first coaching session that we actually recorded. And we're just gonna keep doing it. I don't know how long we're gonna do it, but we're just gonna keep doing this to show you the inside of two businesses. Like sometimes it might be a spotlight on me. I might be doing something. I'll be like, okay, I'm gonna show them how I'm putting together my marketing funnel today, and what I did to drive traffic, all that kind of stuff. And we'll see how it goes. So, D. Nicole, go ahead and take it over. It's your show.
Okay. So today, what we're going to do is, like he stated before, I'm starting my business with the information products. And we're actually going to go through and set up one product that I have coming out. And so, what do we need to do to get started with that? What's the first thing we need to do?
Well, the first thing you need to share your screen,
Okay.
and then because see what we doing. Let me just put it in perspective. What we doing? What we doing is this is going to be like in the back office of one of her products because I told her, very low tech, not that complicated license program that she should start a license program, and she's licensing out one of her products that she owns, and what she's gonna do is put a video in the back office of that product. Probably gonna be a couple of videos. It's gonna be more than one video series about this, but it's gonna be a video of product that shows them how to set the product up with a PayPal button and all that stuff, so that they can go and sell the product for 100% of the sale. So it's a license rights offer to one of her products that she's licensing out. And we'll talk more about how that's really powerful later. But it is very, very powerful to license out your product and allow other people to sell it, especially if it can come with a sales letter, maybe some autoresponder messages, a capture page, things like that. If you can license that stuff out, that's a great high ticket offer. That's an excellent high ticket offer because a lot of things that you would normally that puts like this for the average person, it is kind of difficult to license out. I mean, not license out, but it's kind of difficult to come up with a high ticket offer. And this isn't really a high ticket offer. It's only $97. I think that's what she's selling it for. But this could easily be a $500, $1,000 thing, and it's a great way to create high ticket offers in your business. It's licensing out products in your funnel. Maybe not your whole funnel, but licensing out specific products that people can sell, and basically just white label, reprint, or another word is resell rights. Resell, white label, or reprint. All those three things are the same thing. And what that basically means is you now own that product and you can sell it for 100% of the money. It's a very powerful strategy. It's one of my favorite strategies. It's one of the things I use to become successful so fast. So let's get started. Go ahead and share your screen. I know you didn't want to do that kaleidoscope thing.
Yeah.
You just saw me on the screen just talking my head off. But go ahead and share your screen, and I'm gonna show you how to set it up. You're not really gonna set it up, but you just showing them how to do it. And we're gonna take this video and they'll edit out the part where I'm talking, and then just show them how to set it up, and then put that in the back office. All right.
Okay.
So I'm waiting on you.
All right.
Go to let's see how you gonna do this. Go the first thing you want to do in the new window. You want to have your autoresponder in the new window
Okay.
because you're gonna need to create, and then you can delete this form afterwards. But you want to have your autoresponder, and there's gonna be links in the resources below this video. And we're showing you how to set it up. There's gonna be links in the resource where you can get all this stuff because she used the Aweber autoresponder and she uses HostGator hosting. That's really all you need for this method is an autoresponder and hosting. Okay, so that's Aweber. Don't worry about Aweber right now. Just keep it in that window. But what we're gonna do? Do you have an HTML editor yet? Like MVU, Composer don't work on Macs. SeaMonkey, you need some type of HTML editor.
No. Oh wait, I have Dreamweaver.
Well, you big money Dreamweaver.
Ah.
Yeah, Dreamweaver
Right.
will work. You can use Dreamweaver.
All
Now,
right.
I got to show you how to set this up because this is very important about the branding aspects. And this is something you could have done even if you didn't have MLM baseball. You could have done this and it would have been good. Now, open up the sales letter for Network Marketers Manual. Open up the sales letter. We'll see open recent item. Click open. But you just click open because it's not a recent item. But just click open. And then go find. It's gonna be the sales letter is gonna be called index. I'm pretty sure, but it's wherever you put your files on your computer. I don't know. I can't tell you where you put your files in, but it's wherever you put your files on your computer. So the file is unzipped, right? But
Um,
it must be. So yeah, go to sales letter first. Then we'll do the squeeze page last. And go to sales, the one that says sales. All right, now make that bigger so you can see what you're doing. Make Dreamweaver bigger. Now I think with Dreamweaver you can automatically upload it to your hosting. I think so. You can automatically upload it straight to your hosting. Do you have another folder with Network Marketers Manual and it's zipped up?
no, I can zip it though.
Well, do that first. Go create another folder with Network Marketers Manual and zip it up.
Okay.
Because that's the one you actually gonna give people when they actually buy. But you're gonna play around with this one.
Okay.
Okay. Now, all right.
I did
So
something and let me see. Close. I don't know what I did, but I did something. I'm trying to open it up a little bit for you. All right, I think that's the full screen.
yeah. All right.
Okay.
So Network Marketers Manual. The very first thing you want to do is where it says from the desktop of your name, take out your name and then put in your name. Okay, now the second thing you want to do, now Dreamweaver, I don't really know how to use Dreamweaver, so it might take a while to figure out how to do this stuff, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty simple to do. But the next thing you want to do is put a picture of yourself. This helps with the branding. But you can't just go put a picture in there. Go back to the folder. Well, first find a picture of yourself and then copy the picture. Like on your computer, find a picture of yourself. You know, any picture of yourself. It don't matter. Well, obviously you want to use the picture that you want to use, but find a picture of yourself.
All right.
All right, and just copy that. Oh, you taking a screenshot? Okay, that's one way to do it.
Oh no, I was copying it. You said copy it. I copied it.
I meant like copy the whole file.
I don't understand what you mean.
Like, can't you just go Command C and then just hit Command V real quick and see does it paste it right there?
No, it didn't let me do it.
Okay, well I don't see how to make duplicate files on a Mac. Uh,
I just hit duplicate.
no, well that's how you would do it then. All right, so change the name of that duplicate one. Change it to uh, just call it me or D Nicole or something like that. Whatever, you just change it to anything but all them numbers, and make sure it's one word and there is no spaces in the word.
Okay.
Okay, now take that folder, that picture,
Okay.
go drag and drop that picture in the folder right next to but yeah, you can put it on your desktop first and then drag it from your desktop into that folder. But go find the folder we was just at, the Network Marketers Manual folder.
Okay. And put it in the folder.
Go to HTML, Network Marketers Manual HTML, and then go to Sales Letter, and then go to Images. Now put that picture in there. All right, perfect. Now go back to Dreamweaver. All right, and right there, right in front of the word from, put your cursor right there. I think the way to do it with Dreamweaver is go up to the top and click Insert, and then Image, and then go to Images. Very important that it's in that Images folder. And what does that says? Image tags, accessibility attribute. What does it say? Alternate text.
Yeah.
Don't put them for alternate text. Just
Okay.
click
I'll
it.
just.
Now what you want to do is, yeah, make it a lot smaller, probably about 80 by 80, and that's the pixels. But what you want to do is wrap the text. Now I'm not sure how. That's about how big you want it right there. But I'm not sure how to do that with Dreamweaver. But you want to wrap the text. You want that picture to be right next to from and re. You want the words to be around it, but not just. And see,
Mm.
I really don't know how to do this with Dreamweaver, and I really shouldn't be showing you how to do it with Dreamweaver because most people ain't gonna have Dreamweaver. I tell
Okay.
you
Let's
what.
go to. Let's start. Let's just start it over and I'll download SeaMonkey or NVU because it don't make sense for us to do it with something that most people are not gonna have. It makes sense for us to do it with something that is free and accessible to anybody.
Yeah.
So I'll do
Yeah.
that quick.
Okay. So MVU or SeaMonkey, I recommend SeaMonkey. I know how to use that very well.
All right.
Go to SeaMonkey
SeaMonkey.
Project. Don't just type SeaMonkey because it probably ain't, it's gonna like show like real sea monkeys.
Yeah, you told me that before.
I mean, you know they,
Did
they
I? Let me see if I picked this up. Nah, I didn't pick it up. All right. We getting SeaMonkey. See, this make it real for people. Now they know, what to do, and then it's okay to start over and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So it's download.
This will be a part if I was making a video. I'd be like, I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna pause when it's finished. So you guys show them the duplicate file thing over again, though. Well, I tell you what, just don't edit that part out the video, and then you don't have to show them again. You heard me, didn't it?
Did I? Yeah, I heard you.
No, okay. I was just wondering. You didn't say nothing. I was
I
like,
did. Yeah, that wasn't right. I hate when people do that to me. But I figured you would think that I heard you. But I get it. All right. Let me change my security settings. Okay.
okay. Now, click. Let's see. I gotta pull up on my computer real quick and see which one it is. It look a little different on Mac. But you see those little buttons down at the bottom left? It's I think it's that one with that blue dot. I think that's the one that opens the web.
This one here. Yeah, Composer.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it.
All right, now make that big, and then go up to the top where it says open, and open up Network Marketing Manual. HTML, sales letter, sales. All right, now first thing, desktop of your name,
And
click
then
your name. All right,
okay.
and right in front of from, click image up there at the top. There's a big square and it says image. No, you don't have to go to insert, just click image. And then click choose file. There you go. Now go to dimensions at the top and go to custom size, take off constraint, uncheck constraint because it ain't gonna work right. And put 80 by 80. Now go to appearance.
And okay, right?
No, go to appearance. And then where it says align text to image, click that. And put wrap text to the right. Or wrap to the right. All right, now go back to location. Go back to location. And click do not use alternate text. And then click OK. There you go. Now, go where it says Dear Future Millionaire, like right in front of it, and click enter one time. There you go. All right. Now, scroll down. When you see how easy this is, you're like, oh man, why'd I make MLM baseball?
Now I know why I made MLM baseball. I won't say that. I'm proud. I'm proud of it. That's my first product.
All right. Now, what says best wishes, your name, put your name again. And then put an enter. And then go back to image. Hit enter one more time. Well, you already did it. Go to choose file.
Me.
Uh-huh. Do not use alternate text. Don't make it 80 by 80. You don't want to do all that stuff this time.
Okay.
And then click OK. And put one more space in between the Nicole Mims and the picture. All right. Now, that's pretty much all you got to do on the sales page, except put the buy now button. But because we're gonna do PayPal first. But what you want to do is also read the sales letter, see if there's any misspelled words, or if you want to change it and make it your own. But I don't want to make this too long, so ain't no need to do that. Now, go up to the top and click open. It's gonna click save on that one first. Click save, and then click open. And then go to thank you. Now this is where you want to put the file. But what I recommend is right here where it says thank you for your purchase. I put an enter right there, a space right there, and I put a banner that has something to do with my network marketing business. So just for illustration purpose, go find a banner real quick and just put the banner there just for illustration purposes. You know, join my hot new email. You don't want to say join my hot new email. The best thing would be, you know, free webinar. Let's see what would tie into network marketers manual. Free webinar: how to make a six-figure residual income in only 3 years. And that would tie well with network marketers manual. And then the way you would make the six-figure income is if they obviously join your MLM business, and that's how we could do that. So just, you know, you can just type the word banner right there just to let you know a banner would go, but I just had to put that in the video just to know
Right.
that you want to promote your MLM right there. All right. All right. All right. And the next thing you want to do is put the actual product there. Now, there's a couple ways you can do that, but I'm going to show you the most secure way to do that is what you want to do is make it a zip file. And it would be easier to just, well, technically, either way wouldn't matter. But it would be easier to just go ahead and upload the file to the internet, then just grab the link. So what you want to do is open up FileZilla. And then put in your hosting information. I'm glad they can't see the password because that's sensitive information. You can install that new version later. I would do it later.
Okay.
And then go to public HTML.
It's the second one, right?
Yeah, I believe it's the second one. I think the first one is public FTP.
Yeah, it is. Okay. Open this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Go to your main website, Nicole Mims.
I think it's this one.
No, that make you go up a folder. So go back to public HTML. There should be it should say dnicolemims.com.
Okay. Okay.
Now, we'll have to start about it. Your WordPress, the way your hosting is set up, your WordPress is right there in the root directory. I just thought about that. Your WordPress is right there in the root directory. So go up one folder. Click the one with the two dots. And then right click public HTML at the top window on the right. Oh yeah, right click. However you right click on the Mac. And then go to create directory. And then type, I usually don't type out the whole name, but you could type Network Marketers Manual, but it's got to be one word. It's got to be like all together. I would just put NMM. That's just how I am, because there's a lot of typing.
Okay.
Okay, and click OK. All right, and let's just test that out real quick. Upload, go to the Network Marketers Manual page we're just working on, and because it is a little different with HostGator hosting, and you got all these domains. Go on the left side now. Find on your computer the Network Marketers Manual page we were just working on.
Um, it may not be. Here it is.
All right, don't upload it. No. Go. I'm glad it's not called index. It's not gonna be a big deal. But go to that folder that we just created, Network Marketers Manual. I think that's it right there.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Open it and rename that sales folder file. Rename it to index.
.html.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then upload that. And we're just gonna test this out real quick.
I can just drag it and drop it, right?
Yeah. All right, now go to dnicolemills.com/network marketers manual, and you should see that page.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looked funny because when you upload the rest of the files, don't worry about that. But that's that. I mean, we did it right then. All right. All right. So, what you want to do is while we in FileZilla, go back to that folder the Network Marketers Manual is in.
Okay.
Uh, go to that folder on your computer. What I mean,
Okay.
like on your computer, not inside of FileZilla.
Oh. Okay.
All right. Go to the Network Marketers Manual. Go to, let's see, where is the book? You want the actual book, ebook. There you go. I see it, ebook. All right. What it says, network. Right click that and compress it. All right. Now upload that compressed file to the Network Marketers Manual subdirectory in FileZilla. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah. Like drag it over from the desktop. Hmm.
Just click ebook. Click it. There you go. Now go to PC zip archive. You see it right there? The
Yeah.
zip one. The zip file.
And just drag it over, right?
Mm-hmm. All right. Now go back to SeaMonkey. That's the exact page you want to be on. And highlight the words Network Marketers Manual, even though that's supposed to have an apostrophe. I just thought about that.
Highlight it on the book.
Well, you can do that too, but if you're going to do it like that, then click link. Click link. I was telling you to highlight those words right there, but you can click
Oh,
the
down at the. Okay. That's fine. I didn't see that.
then click
You
link
want
up
me?
there at the top
Okay.
and put well, you will want to you'll want to get the so go back to FileZilla because I don't know the file name. I think it's called Network, but I don't know the extension. Go back to FileZilla real quick and have you right click on the Mac just so you can rename it.
Okay.
All right, and grab that, copy that, Command A, Command C, or just
Okay.
do that and copy it. Now go back to SeaMonkey and where it says link, put HTTP.
For link location.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
and then D. Nicole Mims,
Okay.
/ Network Marketers Manual, and then / and then paste what you copied.
Okay.
Now click OK. The reason you want to zip the file is because you want it to, because if you didn't zip the file, the search engines could still read it, and if they read the book, it can possibly rank in the search engines for the term network marketers manual. If the word network marketers manual is used throughout the book, which I'm pretty sure it is,
Okay.
I mean, people can steal the product for free. Now go to File, Save As, and put, instead of thank you, put like, you can keep thank you on there, but after the words thank you, before the .html, put like a string of numbers to make it, so you can't just guess it. Oh, you also want to put, let me give you the code. I'm gonna make sure I give you, click save though, but I need to give you the code.
Okay.
I'll make sure I put it in the resources so that you can give it to people who buy the book, buy the rights to it. But you want to put this. Well, actually, you could just do this yourself. But I'm sure I just show it to you. I just thought about it. You want to put a no index and a no follow tag on it. So the code is right here, and it's in chat.
Okay.
You see where it says, don't copy all this. I'm going to show you what you need to copy.
Okay, I'm looking at it.
It says meta name equal robots, content equal follow. I mean, no index, no follow.
Right.
Get that first caret right in front of meta, and that last caret right after no follow.
Okay.
And copy that. And you want to go look for in the HTML code of the page. You want to see, so at the bottom, click source. Click source at the bottom. HTML source. It's right down the bottom left. And you want to look for, scroll down, where it says head. You see where it says head?
Yeah, right here.
And do you see title? You don't. No, we want to put before the end head. So don't worry about it. It ain't got title on there. I don't know why it ain't got title on there. I don't see it. It probably is on. I just don't see it. But right before that, caret / head. You see that?
Mhm.
Okay. Put the cursor right in front of that.
Okay.
Click enter twice. Then go in the blank space and then paste that code.
Okay.
Okay. Then click save.
Do I need to erase this blank area?
No.
Okay.
All right. Now you still want to do the OTOs, and you still want to put the buy button for the original sales letter. But before you do that, what you want to do is go to open, click open, But I tell you what, don't even click open. Just do it on that same page. We don't gotta do it all over again. Click cancel. Um, delete the picture of that book. Delete the words Network Marketers Manual. And then go to File, Save As. Very important you click Save As so you don't just erase the work you just did. But go to Save As.
It don't give me that option.
I see that. That don't make no sense. Well, I don't know what to tell you. It won't let you save as. You need to save as sometimes. But go to it again. Maybe some I missed. No show link. It's letting you save it, but not save as.
It's not even letting me say. Well, I guess if I hit the little floppy disk thing, it'll let me save. But
Okay, go to open file. Just close this one so you don't get messed up. Close this one. Click don't save. And then go back to it. And then go to thank you. Not to thank you with all of the numbers.
all
Because it's not
right,
letting you save as.
all right,
You open it as a web page. I need you to open it in the composer. So go back to SeaMonkey and then go back to the composer.
oh, where is it?
Now go to open right there. And then just go to regular thank you. Now delete the book and delete that. And right here where it says you may download your products below, put before you download your products, register below. No, put that in that. Don't put that right there.
Okay,
You see where it says you may download your products?
yeah,
Change that sentence to before you download your products. That way you don't have to type out download your products again. And you just typed out you twice. But before you take out may download your products, then click the space and then put register and then leave below in there.
okay,
Now what I usually would do is I would put a little video underneath that explaining why I won't do the register. You don't gotta do all that. All you need to do now is put an opt-in form, and you want that opt-in form to have automation rules where it will take them off your prospect list and put them on your customer list. So the way you would do that, go back to Aweber. You don't even have a prospect list set up yet, do you?
no, I just have that the first list that I set up with Aweber.
Well, just put a pretend prospect list. Just
So,
call it what?
so I could just create one. Create the list you're talking about.
Yeah. You need to
Oh,
create two. Well, you need to create 3 lists.
okay. So we'll call this one Network Marketing Manual Customers.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
All right, and put fill out the stuff for the list. All right, and
So should we explain to them why we're doing this
what
so
you
they
want me to
understand?
explain?
I mean, like the point, like we're setting up a opt-in form on a page, and this is how you set up your opt-in form in case they don't know. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying?
All right, so the reason why you want to set up this opt-in form before you give them the product is because you want to capture your customer leads. You want to know who bought because your customers are going to be the ones who buy from you more frequently than just your regular house list. So collecting customer leads and then taking them off your house list, you can target them specifically and give them customer discounts or whatever you want to do specifically for your customers alone. But what that would do, and you can always go and delete this list later. It's just to show an example. But what you could do is just mail that list, and you'll make more money from that list than your regular list. Even though your regular list is always going to be bigger than your customer list, but still though, well, not necessarily. Your customer list could be bigger than your regular list if you got a lot of affiliates, or if you sell your products directly and don't get leads. But still though, your customer list is going to be a more responsive list than your regular list. So you always want to get those leads. And we also going to do some segmentation. We're going to do some segmentation so that we know what so that we know to take them off the house list and to also put them on a generic broadcast list. So that way they're gonna be on two lists. They're gonna be on a broadcast list and they're gonna be on a that specific products list. The reason why you want to do that is because let's say you have a person who bought 5 products from you. Well, if you send out a broadcast to all 5 of those lists, they're going to get the exact same email 5 times at once. So if you got a generic broadcast list for your customers, all you got to do is just send that email out to that one list and target all your customers. Now, the downside is you're going to be paying for that lead twice because you got them on 2 lists. You're going to be paying for that lead twice. But the upside is they're not going to get the same message 4 and 5 times, especially right after each other or right at the same time. That can be really annoying. They will unsubscribe. So it's worth it to pay a little bit more to keep your customers happy, especially your customers. You never want your customers to unsubscribe.
Okay.
So now make a general customer list. I think we was using GVO. You call it VIP list. Oh well, finish it. Obviously, finish doing what you're doing for that list. Like do stuff like take confirmed, opt in, all that stuff.
Okay, where are we redirecting them once they sign up or no?
Yes, but you do that. I thought you would do that in the form. I thought you do that in the form.
Okay.
I don't know. I haven't used that web in years. But I thought that success page right there is for the double opt-in.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're right. Okay. And that's it. And we go to forms.
Yeah, might as well go ahead and do that. And just create a basic form. It don't gotta look good.
Well, I'll just keep this one right here.
You really don't need name and email, but you can have name and email if you want to. Like if you want to talk to your customers by name, or if you want to know your customer's name, you can. It's up to you. Really up to you. You really don't have to. Now,
Um,
yeah, that's where you set up the form. So thank you page, very important. You want custom page, but we haven't done this page yet. But this page, which is custom page, that would be your one-time offer. You want to send them to the one-time offer. Okay?
okay.
So we haven't done that page yet. So just leave that page alone and then go back to See Monkey Composer.
Okay.
Well, we really could do this in FileZilla. And we just put the link up there. Alright, so that's what we should do. I'm trying to think what is it called? I mean, what we gonna call the upsell? I mean, it's 25 master resale rights products. I mean, you can call it OTO, a Network Marketers Manual / OTO.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'll
go
call.
to FileZilla
Okay.
and then click the Network Marketers Manual folder.
At the top.
Mm-hmm. Right click it. What I mean.
Let me do that. Okay.
And then go to Create Directory. And then say OTO.
Okay.
And then click OK. And then just drag any index file, whatever index file you can find, into the OTO folder, and let's test it out and see if it's working correct. I mean, you're doing the right thing. You had it almost done. I don't know why you stopped.
Because it wasn't an index file in there.
Yes, it was. Go back to it. And then go to website.
Oh. Okay.
Now put the index file in the OTO folder. All right, now go to Nicole. It's gonna be a long URL. dnicolemelms.com / Network Marketers Manual / OTO.
I'm still waiting. I don't know why it's taking so long.
Let me go to it on my computer real quick. You said it didn't work. See? Mm, mm. Maybe it's because you need to. I should have told you to do this, but the way you wrote Network Marketers Manual, write it in with the capital N, and then put OTO in all caps. That's the way you say the directory. Yep. Yeah, you have to put it in exactly like how you save it as. That's why you should have just wrote in all lowercase letters. But, that ain't nothing to get down about. Just write in all lowercase letters next time. But that's a tip to the people watching this video. Make sure your directories are in all lowercase letters. It's very important. But just copy that URL.
Okay.
All right, now go back to the sign up form in Aweber and paste that in. Take out the first HTTP.
Okay.
And already subscribed. Put the same thing for already subscribed.
Okay.
Then go to step 3. I don't think there's no advanced settings you need to do. Go to show advanced settings just to make sure. So add tracking. Okay, you don't need to do that. All right, go to step 3. I think step 3 is gonna ask you to save, and then go to step 3. And then I will install my form. Then grab the JavaScript. Go back and grab the JavaScript. It's easy to work with.
Okay.
Now copy that and go back to CMonkey. And it's not obvious, so I'm going to tell you. The first follow-up message you want to have for this campaign, you want to send them the link so they can download the product.
Okay.
Now, click in an open space below, right under the word below, and go to Insert at the top, HTML, and paste that in, and then click Insert. You can't see it because it's JavaScript, but it works. Now,
Okay.
save this. Go to File, Save As. She'll let you save as this time. If you can't save as, not a big deal. Okay. Save it as thank you and some numbers, but some different numbers from the first one. Or you can use the same numbers, but call it IPN, numbers, whatever.
Okay.
Then click Save. All right. Now, upload that page to FileZilla. So go to FileZilla. And goes to the Network Marketers Manual on the left. It's in the Google Drive.
Okay.
And upload both of those thank you pages, except the one that just say thank you with no numbers on it. Upload the other two though, directly to this folder. Do not put them in the OTO folder. All right. Now we're making some progress. Now, what you want to do next is go and make the buy now button for this particular product. So, right click, thank you, opt in. So you can go to rename.
Mm. Okay.
So that's the thank you opt in. Make sure that's the thank you opt in.
Mhm.
Okay, now copy all that.
Okay.
Now go and let's go to PayPal. Log in. Go to Merchant Services. And then create payment button for your website. And then click create button. Then you want to be a buy now. Item name, Network Marketers Manual. I think the price was $27. And what you'll want to do is put it on like 1 cent, and then have one of your friends test out the funnel to see if it goes to all the right pages after you buy and stuff like that.
Okay.
And then just refund them they 1 cent. But scroll down. This is the important part right here. Go to customize advanced features. I think this is what it says. I can't really see it. Go to take customers to this URL when they finish checkout. Let's check that box. And then paste Yeah, but you got to put in front of that. You got to put http dnicolemims.com, and obviously that would be your website. You know, if you're watching this video, that'll be your website. dnicolemims.com / network marketers manual. You got to put the capital N. / thank you, all that stuff. Can you put the / in front of thank you?
Mm-hmm.
I can't see it. So, okay. And then just go to the bottom and then click create my button. And then go to email.
So is this the button that they're gonna hit to redo the page?
What?
Is this the button that's gonna be on the page for them to click? Or
Yeah,
is this the button on that's gonna be on the page for them to when somebody buys from them?
that's going to be the button on the page when somebody buys from them.
Okay.
All
Okay.
right, now grab that link.
Okay.
Now go over to Monkey Composer. You're going to have to open up a new file. So we saved it. We changed the name of it. So open at the top left. Then go to index. And go to where the add to cart buttons are.
Okay.
I think it's just one. Click the add to cart button. It might be two. Click that, and then go to the link. Paste that in. Then click OK. Now scroll down, see if it's another one. Yeah, I thought it was two.
Okay.
Alright, now click save. And we got the whole front half of the funnel done. The only thing now we need to do is the upsell. So go to FileZilla. So go to, alright, all you really need to upload is images. That's the only thing you need to upload is images. It don't look like it's got a CSS file or anything like this. I don't see no CSS file. So just upload images. You don't need to click quick connect. Just upload images into the folder. Do not upload it into the OTO folder.
So just drag it over.
Mm-hmm. Alright, now go to Nicole Mims / network marketers manual. We still not done with Aweber because we didn't do the automation rules, but we'll do that in a minute. Now do that in the window. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, okay. You're done with PayPal, right?
For now, we're gonna come back to it in a minute.
Oh, okay. Go to Nicole Mims. What'd you say? Network Marketers Manual.
Yeah.
Okay.
and click enter. Okay, yeah. Now go check and see if the buy now button works.
No,
Don't
it's
look
not
like.
working. It's not working.
Don't look like. Oh, we probably didn't save it. That's what it is. Go back to See Monkey Compose. We forgot to save it, and then we gotta upload it again. Click save. It look like it's saved. All right, we just probably. I don't know. It look like it's saved. It's saved though. But go to files and upload again. Upload index again.
Overwrite, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Now go back to it.
Yeah, it worked.
All right. Now we need to do the OTOs. We need to do the OTOs.
Okay. So go to FileZilla and find the OTOs.
No, not FileZilla. Go to SeaMonkey. So we gotta do the same thing again, just over. Just gotta do it again. But go to SeaMonkey and then go to Open. And then find the OTO. Find because it's 3 OTOs. So
Right.
find which one you want to use. It probably, I think it's a red one that would match this one. Go to, don't go there. Go back. Go to the 3 OTO template pack. I don't
Okay.
see it. Right. Scroll down. Go to OTO templates. And I don't know which one looks like which. Well, just for the sake of time, pick template one. And then they can choose which template they want to use. And go to download. This one's gonna take the most time. That's actually the real one. All right. So what we want to do is go scroll down, and you want to, where it says products 1 through 10. You want to upload that first was, the first, like, I would delete all that one product at a time, but you could do one product at a time and do product. It will make it easier for your customer to download, because some people got slow internet connection. They can't download a whole bunch of things at one time. It'll take too long. So you could do each product one by one if you wanted to, but of course, we're not gonna waste that much time doing that. Like, that would probably take like 45 minutes to put every one product. But make sure you put them in zip folders the exact same way that you did the network marketers manual. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So just link. All you want to do is link all those up to the actual product. You want to link it up to the whole sales letter package because it's master resale rights. Let me show you what it is. Go back to like on your computer. Go back to and just I think the folder was just in with you can close that.
Close this.
Mm-hmm. You can close that too.
Okay. And this
And
one.
yeah. Now go back to the folder you were in.
Okay.
And go back to the OTO templates. And you see where it says MRR1, MRR5, 6, all that stuff?
Right.
That's where you ask to find the products. You have to go in there one by one and find all the products one by one.
Okay.
And then link them up, zip the folder, and then see that they go they all in there like that. So just zip the folder.
Zip the whole
Not,
MRR1.
no, zip each one folder at a time. You don't have to do it. I'm just telling you. You don't have to actually do it. Cause it'll take too long to do all that work to just do all them products like that. It'll take like another 45 minutes. And they'll make
Oh,
this video really, really long. But zip all them folders and then upload them to your server. But you need to make sure they're one words though. Like they got spaces in there. You don't want to have those spaces. You want to make sure it's one word. Like
okay.
AdSense cash craze, make it AdSense cash craze like one word. So like go to rename on the zip folder.
Yeah, I don't think you can rename it.
Can't you just click it?
I'm click. You mean like click it to open it? I mean like right click it
Well, I don't see it in right click, but I know you can do it on Windows. But
like that.
yeah, that's what I meant. How you make it do that?
I have no idea. I was just clicking the mouse pad.
All right, yeah, make it one word just like that. AdSense cash craze, like one word.
Okay.
Now, what you want to do next is, you don't have to do it more than once. Just, you get the point.
All right.
But what you'll want to do next is upload those files and then put that code, the same code at the top of the, right before the closing head tag. Put that same little no index, no follow code at the top, and put that code to keep them from finding that page in the search engine. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All right. Now, what you want to do is just follow the same process you did with Network Marketers Manual, where you change the name of the download page and you upload the download page. It's the exact same steps in Network Marketing Manual, but it's just one little difference. So go. I ain't gonna. We're not gonna do the download page stuff again. Download page is self-explanatory. We just did it. Go back to CMonkey and open up the index file for, yeah, there you go. Open up the index file. All
Okay.
right, and scroll down, and the no thanks link all the way at the bottom. The no thanks link. The no thanks link. That needs to be the download page for the Network Marketers Manual. So highlight that and put link. And I have no clue what the download page is called. I know it's dnicolemills.com/no marketers manual / something. So you're gonna have to rename it in FileZilla, and then just not the download opt-in page. You don't need that again, but the download.
The thank you page.
Yeah,
So don't use what I have. Rename it.
no, don't actually rename it. Just rename it. Go to rename and copy it.
Okay.
We can't do no more at night. Well, I'm so tired.
That's fine. Whatever time works for you. Whichever time is better.
I don't have to unplug the phone. I'm gonna tell you. All right, so go to CMonkey.
Do you want to end this video right now?
No, we gotta finish this.
Okay.
And put dnicolemims.com / network marketers manual. /that.
Okay.
Then click OK. And then, right away it says your name. You want to put your name in your picture. And then, technically, you don't want the words to be pink neither. They do that so they'll let you, so that you'll know to change that stuff. You want to change that stuff to black, and then it'll make the links blue. Click undo. Click command. Yeah, I'm about to say command Z. The one on the top is the one you should change. Type the words first.
Oh, okay.
But what you'll want to do is put a picture right there as well. Like I said, it helps for branding. But you will have to put it in the folder with the OTO templates. You can't use the one from the Network Marketers Manual. You gotta put another. You gotta duplicate the file again and put it in the folder with the OTO templates. Put specifically for this one OTO template in that image folder.
Okay.
So I'm just telling you that you ain't got to do all that. But next thing is after you do that, then You'll want to make delete where it says include your. I know you technically supposed to have that stuff. You don't have to have it when you first get started, but you're supposed to have that stuff and make your website, legal. But I don't have no templates for them to just use for the, terms and all that stuff. So just roll without it right now. There's an income disclaimer right there, look like.
Yeah, it is.
But excuse me, I'm yawning. Told you I'm getting tired. But let's see what else you need to do with this page. You need to put the buy now button on there, obviously. But let's go to Aweber, and then we can kind of wrap it up here. But and then I'll show you, what you need to do. But go to Aweber.
Okay.
All right, go and create another list.
Okay.
And this is for the OTO customers. I don't know what you would call it. 25 master resale rights OTO customers, I guess.
But isn't that the bonus that they get
No, that's not a bonus. That's an upsell.
for network marketers manual? It's a bonus.
That's the upsell for the people. We setting this up to show them
Oh, okay,
how
I see.
their funnel would be set up.
Oh, okay. So I would delete this list right here.
Yeah, and you could delete the network marketers manual list too.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure it was a little off right there.
Well, you could keep the network marketers manual list because you selling it. You is selling it too.
Okay.
Don't call it VIP list.
Their name probably taken already anyway. Oh, excuse me. Okay.
All right. Then do all the other AWeber stuff.
Okay. Now what we doing?
Make the form and you gotta make the page where they actually opt in. Your thank you page would be technically what I like to use the thank you page is a page that says, um, you know, check your email for access to your product. That's it. Make a page that say check your email for access to your products.
Okay.
So you can put anything you want for thank you page. But that's what I'll put as my thank you page. If you don't want to do that, then you could put the download page for that product.
Okay.
Do the same thing for already subscribed. I always make sure you're already subscribed. It's the same thing as your thank you page.
All right.
Alright, then I will install my form. Well, what you really could do, if you wanted to make it easier so you don't have to create another web page, is go to I want Aweber to host my form, but then you would have had to put some copy on the opt-in box. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You have to say opt-in now to register your product, on the opt-in box itself. But if you want to make a web page and keep them on your same page, then you could just go to JavaScript snippet, grab the JavaScript code, go ahead and do that. All right, now go back to SeaMonkey and delete all them boxes. Now to delete boxes, what you got to do, or you can just create a page real quick. It'd probably be easier to create a page and delete all that stuff. So just go to click new over there. And go to table and rows 1, column 1. With 500 pixels, not percent.
Okay.
And put border 0. And then center it. Click it and center it. Alright, then say something like opt in to register your product or whatever. Say something though.
Okay.
And then space it, enter. And then put insert. And then go to insert HTML. Paste that in. And you might want to put your support email address on here. You might want to put your support email so that way if they screw something up and they say they don't get it, then they have your support email.
Okay.
All right, then Then you'll want to save that. Don't save it as untitled though. When you click save, it's gonna ask you what you want to save it as. Where it says page title, put period, period, period.
Okay.
And click OK.
So it's just 3 periods.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then don't call it period, period, period dot HTML, but call it um you know, I guess OTO opt in. Yeah, that's straight. Yeah, there you go. Make sure everything is always in lowercase letters.
Okay. And for template one, right?
I think that's where it is.
Okay.
And then that page would be your buy now button link. And when they opt in, they would get the download page of the OTO, or you could just send them to a page and say check your email, whatever way you want to do it, and then actually in the message, send them a message that actually delivers the product in their email. Okay.
Okay.
Now another thing is you want to create one more list in Aweber. Go back to Aweber. And you want to call it VIP list or something like that. That's probably taken though.
Yeah. And what's this list for?
That is the general customer list.
Okay.
And you don't need to make a form for this.
Okay.
Now, what you want to do, I don't remember what automation rules is in Aweber, but you need to find automation rules. And go to just well, first do well, let's just say MLM baseball is like your general prospect list. So say unsubscribe from MLM baseball. Well, you need to be on the MLM baseball list for what is his current list.
Mm.
So unsubscribe from MLM baseball when subscribe to Network Marketers Manual of Customers, and then click Save. And then you want to click unsubscribe from MLM Baseball when subscribed to, and then you want to say OTO list. Alright, now you want to say go up to VIP list, You want to say subscribe to, and then say OTO list and network marketers customers.
Okay.
Now you got everything. It works perfectly. Now you want to send your broadcast only to the VIP customers list unless you got something specific to say to a customer of one specific list. Okay?
Yes. Gotcha.
All right. So that's pretty much everything. You know, you have to upload those pages, put those products on there, actually put the payment button on there, all that stuff. But it's the same process as making the first one.
Okay.
So that's pretty much it, how to set up with PayPal with just one upsell. If you have more than one upsell, you just continue to do that process over and over and over again.
I just have one question.
What's up?
Do you have to use FileZilla to upload everything?
Well, if you're using Dreamweaver, I think Dreamweaver will upload it automatically if you tell it to.
Okay.
But I just like using FileZilla because it's easy to use for me.
Gotcha. Okay. So that's it for this one, right?
It seemed like it.
This broadcast. It's a lot of information. So you have to go through this video a few times.
Probably gonna have to go through the video more than one time to really get it. And I know I could have went in more detail, but it really was the exact same thing all over again. But you know, I always feel bad when I leave stuff out of videos. But you know, that would have took like a whole another hour to do though. If you'd have went individually, uploaded all them products one by one like that, would took a whole another hour to do.
Right. Gotcha. I understand. I'm gonna stop the recording now. Let me see.